Hello viewers and welcome to the Nifty and Bank Nifty daily post market technical analysis show. In this analysis show, I analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty based on price actions, trend lines, support resistance zones and Fibonacci retracements. So without any further ado, let us jump into the analysis of today's session. And in the yesterday's analysis, I have mentioned that so uh, the candle for both Bank Nifty and Nifty appears to be rebounding from lows and is looking like a bullish retracement. So if the 17,800 level holds for Nifty, the advice is to go long, otherwise go short with a trailing stop loss. Similarly for Bank Nifty also. So let us see what happened with the session today. So Nifty opened slightly below the close of the previous session. It opened at 818 level, 17,818 level, and it got quickly sold off in the first 15 minutes. And there was some support, but eventually Nifty tested about 17,700, and then for a long time, almost like for a few hours, it played between 17,720 and 17,750 levels. So this has been a very tight range of play for Nifty for let us see, I think it should be about for 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, so almost for 2 hours it was in a tight range, and then there was some up move, but that didn't sustain. So what we can observe from this price action in Nifty is that the 17,720 support is coming almost just slightly above the uh, opening of previous session 3rd February. So we can see that there is support coming from the opening of the previous session. This can also be evident if you look at the daily candle. See, the support is coming from this 17,720 level, which is the opening of the previous candle. But the support could not push the price beyond the close of the previous candle. So in fact it didn't even go up there also. Support was able to push the price hardly till 17,780, which corresponds to the supports of this long time consolidation previously. See, this is 17,780 level, which corresponds to the support for all these levels. So the important observation that we have to make today is there has been resistance above this level and there has been support below this level. So Nifty has been playing between these levels. So if tomorrow in the next session one of these breaks out conclusively, that is either if Nifty goes up, tests this and again goes up, we may have a rally. Otherwise, if Nifty either it opens below this, or if Nifty opens somewhere here, then goes down, again tests and then falls, we can have further down move. So overall, the candle itself is looking like a bearish harami for Nifty. So the candle is completely enclosed in the previous candle, but the previous candle itself is not a very long body. Still, this can be a bearish harami, but it has to be supported or confirmed by one more candle because of this long support wick. Had there been no such wick, then probably we could consider that this is a very good case for bearish harami. But this wick, which is extending beyond the opening of the previous body, is a little concern. So basically bears tried to push the price beyond the opening, but they were not able to. The support was holding up at the price opening of the previous candle. So we will need one more candle to confirm the further price action in case of Nifty. And looking at Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty opened almost at the close of the previous session and then it got sold off, but then again same case, it got strong, very strong support from the opening of the previous session. So price was holding up, price was holding above this level. So there has been strong support. Similarly, it couldn't break this level. So this is also Let us see what level it is. I'll mark it with a line there, and we will get a better picture once we look at the that particular level. So if we go to the daily time frame level, okay, look at this. The resistance is coming from the consolidation area of these zones on top of this level. So it is actually a good resistance zone. So for Bank Nifty also the case or the conclusion the same. Suppose if price plays in such a way that if it opens above this resistance level, or if it opens within this zone and then goes up, test this and again goes up, we have a case for a rally. Otherwise, if price opens gap down below this level, or if price uh, falls and then tests and then falls again, we will have a case for a downward move. So the next session is crucial for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. That can give us further direction about how which way the price can move. And looking at the uh, trend lines for trend lines and Fibonacci retracements and other signals for Nifty, we can see that the index has fallen below the resistance line, which has been holding the price for a long time as support. That is evident from the price action, also intraday price action. And but then this support wicks, like on each of these days you can see long support wicks. These supports are trying to push the price up, but they are not able to push the price into this zone. So if this support gives up, then price may fall down. But until that happens, we cannot say when it is going to give up. Similarly, we cannot say when the bulls will be successful to uh, push the bears out, like push the price above this. So probably if we see more candles like this, and eventually if the price if index breaks above this resistance line, falling resistance line, then we can have a case for rally. But otherwise, if index gradually falls and breaks one of the supports here, then we will have a very strong case for further downward move. So this will be evident in the coming session. So until then, the conclusion is that so it's playing between resistance and supports. So we have to see if 17800 level is sustained, then go long. Otherwise, if 17700 breaks down, then you can go short. But if it is still playing in between these two, then you have to take small positions and then play cautiously. Same case with Bank Nifty also. Or if it stays above 14500 level, then go long. Otherwise, you can go short, but then play it cautiously. Take small positions with trading stop loss. So with that, I conclude the analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty for 7th February, and I will be seeing you again in the next analysis session. Until then, I hope everyone are going to have a good trading day tomorrow. Keep your capital safe, take proper decisions with good risk management, and see you in the next session. And do subscribe to the channel if you like this analysis. Thank you.